Hello, today I want to share a simple but impressive effect that I posted on my Instagram. To create this effect you need to download a file from description. In this file, when you open, you can see two nodes. This is MediaPipe component. This component tracking our hand. I set all settings in this component, only what you need is change webcam field to your webcam. And after this you can see that component work. Okay, start create effect. You need create new node select from this output. It's important. Okay, go name this node select hands. This node select all visible points provided by hand tracking. After the select node, we need to create a save point and name it hands data. Next, create a constant node in empty space. In it you can create custom fields and name them. Click the plus sign to create a new field and enter a name there. I already have a ready-made node with all the fields filled. You will need to copy them over manually. Also, don't forget to rename the node to energy control. Now in empty space create an execute data node. Name it execute update energy. Enable the frame start parameter. After, right-click on it and select View. A window will open where you need to delete everything and pass the code from the description. Now create a text data node. Name it Update Energy and pass the next code after opening the view. In briefly, execute update energy simply runs our script from the update energy node. The update energy node itself simply retrieves information from our dots and then towards it our constant energy control node. Now you can see how the numbers in the energy control node change based on the position of our dots. Now we need to create a GLSL top node. A GLSL node is a node that can generate graphics using only code. Right-click on the GLSL pixel node and pass the code from the description into it. This code includes brief description in green. If you want to understand the code, you can study it. Next, in the GLSL node, click the Load button in the Load Uniform Names fields. This will automatically load the necessary fields into the vector tab. Now we created effect. But for it to work correctly, you need to enter additional values into these fields. If you click the plus sign in the value field next to each parameter, you will see 4 separate fields. There you can enter different values for different axes. In this field, you need to pass the code that will retrieve information from our energy control. I have already transferred all the data. You will need to repeat this and retype it manually. Now we can see that our effect is ready, and it was created using only code. To be honest, I am not very good at coding, so Claude helped me with this project. You can use it for help too. Let's finish up the final steps. First, let's make it possible to change the color. To do this, we need to go to Vectors and delete the uColor field there. After deleting, go to the Colors tab, type uColor into the empty field. And that's it. Now you can change color. It's also important not to forget to change the size to match your webcam in the GLSL node in the Common tab. To finish up, let's set all of this up for our camera. From the output of our first MediaPipe node, Create a save point using new and name it camera. Then create an over node. This node overlays one node on top of another. Connect our effect to the top input and the webcam to the bottom input, and our effect is all set. So using some code and a few nodes, we have created an interesting effect. You can find all the code and files for this tutorial in the description for free. Follow me on Instagram to see more interesting projects. And we will see you in the next lessons.